Hi, thanks for joining us for the first installment of Medical Physics Minutes. These are short videos meant to take up only a few minutes, covering recent publications. So my name is Jennifer Hamilton. I'm a physicist at Sun Nuclear, and let's get started. Our publication today is a hybrid method to improve efficiency of patient-specific SRS and SBRT QA. This publication is out of Scripps, MD Anderson. And thank you to Garrett Baltz and Steve Kirshner for answering questions about this publication. All right, key takeaways. This is an easy to implement hybrid QA method, and they do provide easy steps for other clinics to follow in order to test your treatment planning system algorithms and determine confidence limits for your clinic. They did greatly decrease the number of plans that required phantom-based patient-specific QA. And in this particular study, they reduced the number of plans that they measured from 52 to 6, which is pretty remarkable. They do only measure plans that fall outside their confidence limits. So they include testing for accuracy of dose calculation, plan data transfer and integrity, machine errors and treatment delivery. They suggest methods for more robust MLC QA. And this is to prevent MLC errors going unreported by the logs. We do know from the literature that some MLC errors are not accurately reported by log files. And then for single isocenter multi-target treatments, this method points out which METs most need phantom-based QA. So for accuracy of the dose calculation, they suggest a treatment planning system grade independent 3D secondary calculation. And this particular site uses Sun Nuclear's SunCHECK. For plan data transfer and integrity, they suggest log-based patient-specific QA, providing 3D recalculation. So the 3D recalculation, they emphasize, provides more sensitive metrics than simple gamma pass rates. And they use perfraction for this step. And then machine errors during treatment delivery. They used log-based QA is supplemented with increased frequency and complexity of MLC tests. So they ran tests daily, weekly, monthly, and annually. And the authors used daily MPC using the EPID to test their MLCs daily, weekly picket fence tests, and a suite of additional monthly tests following the Ling et al. Recommendations. For single isocenter multi-target treatments, this method points out which METs most need the phantom-based QA. And as you can see in the graphs on the right, only 6 of the METs fell outside of their confidence limits. This method is more scientific, of course, than just choosing a few METs to measure, and it also will significantly reduce the amount of time needed for measuring if you were to measure all the METs. This particular site used SRS MapCheck for their phantom-based patient-specific QA when they did need to do a measurement, and they supplement their monthly QA with the multi-MET Winston-Letts test for off-axis accuracy. If you want to learn more, the full publication is in JACMP, or you can contact us at sunnuclear.com to request a demo from our Sun Nuclear physics team. Thanks so much.